Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
So today we are going to start a new chapter. Have you ever heard about theme? The word theme, birthday theme, party theme.
Yes.
Yes. And do you know there is a concept called theme in PowerPoint also? Have you ever heard about this?
Yeah, ma'am.
No? So
Yeah,
today,
ma'am. I have here, but I didn't know what don't have
okay, so
I don't
today,
know how to insert that.
okay, so today we are going to learn about themes. So ready to learn?
Yes.
Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Working with Themes. So all of you take your book and write down the chapter's theme. Chapter 7, Working with Themes. So in this chapter, we are going to learn about theme in PowerPoint. Themes give us a quick and easy way to change the design of our presentation. So I would like each and everyone to write down the name of this chapter. So they control primary color palette, basic fonts, slide layout, and other important elements. So a theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to our presentation. So in this chapter, we are going to work with, or we are going to learn about themes. So we are going to move to the next slide. So this is the chapter's name, Working with Themes. So what is theme? Do anyone know? Do anyone know what do you mean by theme?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know.
Yes.
Ma'am,
The one who's told yes, can you just tell me what do you mean by theme?
Ma'am, can you show? Ma'am,
What
can
it
you
is?
change the color?
Okay.
First slide.
Okay, you want the first slide. Now tell
To
me what
change the background. To change the background.
okay. Any other answers regarding the theme?
Like wallpaper.
Okay. Any other answers?
Decidingly.
Okay. So you all are having different answers. So let's see the definition of theme. So a theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that we can apply to our presentation. Okay, so all of you write this point. So what is a theme? A theme is a predefined, okay, it has been predefined. It is a combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to our presentation. Please note down this slide. So what is a theme? A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that we can apply to our presentation. So theme controls the design of our entire site. Okay, they control primary color palette, basic font, slide layout, and other important elements. So when you create a presentation, you can apply different themes to your slide. Okay. So here you can see different examples of themes in the design tab. You can come across different themes that you can apply to a presentation. So what is a theme? Nived, read what is a theme? Nived, read what do you mean by theme? Yes. Unmute.
Ma'am.
Yes, a theme is a
A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects can be applied to our presentation.
excellent. So next I would like to call, okay, Niranjana. What is the theme? Read the sentence.
A theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to our presentation.
Okay, very good. So a theme is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that we can apply to our presentation. Okay, so next we are moving to next slide. So when we create a new presentation in our PowerPoint, isn't it? There is a theme. You can see a theme like this. So this is the default theme. So all of you please write the default theme. You just write like this, which is the default theme. When you open a presentation, that particular theme is known as Office theme. Write like this, Office theme. So this is here, you can see the default theme, which is white in color. The background color is white. So Joseph Ivan, please note down this. So which is the default theme? Which is the default theme? Office theme. Say after me. Office theme. Whenever you open a presentation, which is the default theme?
Office theme.
Very good. And what is its background color? White. What is its background color?
White.
White. So you have to write like this. Background, it is white. So which is the default theme?
Office theme.
Very good. What is its background color?
White.
White. So all of you please note down this, the name of the default theme, and the color is
Ma'am.
white.
White.
White. Very good. Okay, those have finished. Please learn, because after this competition. Shall we move to the next slide, Rishikesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
right. Okay, I'm waiting for you all. Okay. No need to write the whole sentence. We have to only write this sentence. Okay. This one and this statement, which states that the default theme is Office theme. The name of that default theme is Office theme. And the background, what is the background color of this default theme? It is white. Okay. Yes. So please write down. Yes. So moving to the next slide. And what is the specialty of this? The Office theme. It is having a white background. And what is the type of font it has? It has the name of that font is. What is the name of the font that it is having? Read. Calibri. What is the font type it is having?
Calibri.
Okay. So that you have to, what you have to write? You have to write like this. Font, write font. Then you just write the font type it is having, it is Calibri. Okay, so it is having the font of various types. The title and body is having different font size. Okay, so what we have learned, which is the default theme. What is the name of the default theme?
Office theme.
Okay, Office theme. What is its background color?
White.
White. Font?
Calibri.
Calibri.
Yes, here you can see the example of the default theme, that is Office theme. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Which means that you're ready for the competition, right?
No, ma'am.
I know. Learn. The three things that we have learned is about what we have learned. What we have learned? We have learned about
Calibri font and Office theme. Then background is white.
very good. So now we are going to learn more about that. Are you ready to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So no need to write anything. Just listen to me properly. Okay. To apply a theme to all the slides, what we have to do? First, we have to choose the design tab. Here you can see the design tab. After that, we have to go to, or we have to click the more button in the theme group. Then we have to.
I know this.
I know that you all know, but it is my duty to teach you again. So the third thing that you have to do is that you have to click the design that you want. So what are the steps that we have to follow to apply the theme to all the slides? First, we have to go to the design tab. Here you can see the design tab, isn't it? Then you have to click more button option in the theme group. Then you have to click the design that you want. So who is going to show me how to select the theme? Please raise your hand. Okay, so yes, Guruchit, share the screen, unmute and share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, others please do their trial. Okay, and please get ready. Those who are using phone, they can also do. Okay, yes. Okay, so
already have take.
okay, so in the design, all of you look at the top. you can see the design tab from where. Okay, Guruchit, you just move the cursor from one theme to another. Let's see the difference. Just show your friends the difference. Yes. Go slowly, go slowly. See the background, you can see the change. You can see the change. Yes, yes. See, the color is changing. Very good. This is how you can change the theme. Very good, very good. Choose one theme, Guruchit, according to your choice. Choose one. Okay, you have chosen. Okay, now Guruchit, you just do one thing. Go to the home tab. Okay, there insert 2 or 3 slides.
Ma'am, insert 3 slides.
Yes, press that. Yes, insert any 3 slide. Okay. Okay, very good. Now minimize. Thank you, Guruchit, for sharing the screen. See, all the slides is having the same theme, isn't it? Yes, thank you, Guruchit, for sharing the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we are going to learn about if we want to apply a particular theme to a particular slide only, what we have to do. For that, we have to select the slide. Okay. Then we have to go again, we have to go to the design tab. Then we have to right click the theme that we want to apply to our particular slide, not to all the slides. If you want to apply a particular theme to a set of slide or to a one slide, we will follow this step. Then we will follow the steps. And at last we have to click the option apply to selected slide. Okay. So these are the steps that we have to follow to if we want to apply a theme to a selected slide. So who is going to show me this? Now it's girls' turn. Girls, please raise your hand. Yes, those who are using computer, girls. Girls, those who are using computer, please raise your hand. No one is using computer from the girls' side. Okay, anyway, we will do with the phone also. So yes, Devdutt, share the screen. First, we will just go through.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Computer. Those who are using computer. After that, we will do with phone also. Okay. So those who are using phone, please do a trial. Yes.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yeah. Yes. So in the design tab, first you just click the slide.
Ma'am,
Come down in the, yes, click that. Now go to the design. Yes. Okay, you just insert 4 slides. First, you just insert 4 slides in your presentation. Go to the home. Okay, go to the home. Okay, now new slide option, press that. Keep on pressing, insert new slide. Okay. Okay, now you just apply a theme. For that, we have to go to design tab. Go to the design tab. Okay, choose a theme. Yes, choose. Okay, it has been, all of you please look at the left side. This theme has been applied to all the slides, but I want to change the theme of second slide. So what I have to do first, Devdutt, do according to my instruction. First, I have to choose the second slide. Go to the left side, choose the second slide. Okay, now go to design tab.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, now select another theme that you like, which is entirely different. Not like this. Listen to me properly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
You just choose the previous theme.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Now, select that theme. Okay. Now choose the second slide. Okay. Now go to the design again. No need to click anything, any theme. You just choose another any one theme and right click that. Right click that. Okay. You just go with, yes, violet one. Right click that. Okay. See the option apply to selected. Second option, apply to selected slide. Okay. Choose that. Now see what change did you observe? See the theme for the second slide is different. Okay. Choose another theme, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Right click the theme. Right click the theme. Apply to selected slide. Very good. Third one. See that particular theme for third slide is changed, isn't it? Is that clear for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now who is going to show me how we can apply?
Ma'am, Twinkle.
Okay. I know that most of you are raising your hand. Okay, so first, Ashwin, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Share the screen. Ashwin, share the screen. Others, please be quiet. Rishikesh is raising his hand. Ahayan, Ivan, more girls are. Okay, most of the girls are raising your hand. Niranjana, wait. I'll give you the chance. Okay. Oh, you are using phone. Okay. So, take PowerPoint. Take PowerPoint. Devdat, please mute your device.
Ma'am, I cannot see. It is showing black.
What happened? Okay, it's coming. Okay.
Oh, now it's okay.
Okay. Now select. Select the theme. Please mute your device from where the sound is coming. Mute your device. Yes, take one. Select one. Okay, those who are using phone, at the bottom you can see a small arrow, isn't it? Press that. Ashwin, at the bottom on the right side you can see a small arrow. Ashwin, listen to me properly. Take a presentation. Okay, come down. After that mountain, after that A, you can see a small arrow which has been headed towards north. In the upward direction, you can see that. Ashwin, come down. On the left, on the right corner, down, you can see an arrow. Ashwin, can you hear me? Yes. See, it is home. Click that option. No. Yes, there you can see. Ashwin, click home. Click home. Click home. Yeah. Ashwin, click home. First, you just click home. Yes. There you can see design. Press design. The third option, fourth option. Plus, yes. There you can see themes option. Very good. Here you can see different themes. Those who are using phone, they can use this option. Very good. Choose a theme that you want. Yes, you have chosen the same theme. Very good. This is how you can do when you're using phone. Thank you, Ashwin, for sharing the screen. So those who are using phone, they can also do like this. Thank you, Ashwin. You can stop sharing the screen. Very good. Now, let's see. Let's move to the next topic, background style. Okay. So background styles can be added to your slide after theme is applied. First, we have to apply a theme. After that, we can change the background style. So there are different variation. There are different styles. The styles are fill variation based on theme color. So now let's see how we can work with background style. For that, first we have to go to the design tab. There in the background group, you can see the command background styles command. Okay, when you click that, you can go through different styles. From there, you can choose a style that you want. So this is how you can apply a background style. Okay, so first what we have to do, first we have to go to design tab, then we have to choose the background group, then we have to choose background styles command. So who is going to show me? First, I want a person, the one who is using computer lab. Okay, Christo, share the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
After that, Niranjana. Okay, Christo, take PowerPoint. Yes. Okay, it's loading. The first thing that you have to do is that insert 2 or 3 slides in your presentation. Okay. So which theme is this? Which is the default theme? Anyone can answer. Which is the default theme?
Office theme.
Office theme.
Excellent. So Christo, you just insert 2 or 3 slides in your presentation. Christo, go to the new slide option at the top. You can see that. Yes. Click different layouts. Yes. Press that. Press that. Yes. Choose. Choose any other. Yes. Choose. Okay. Now go to the new slide again. Okay. Go to the new. Press that arrow. Press that arrow. New slide option. Press that new slide option again. Down arrow, yes, press that and just press that and just choose title and content. The second one, yes. Okay, now he is going to apply a theme. So Christo, for that we have to go to design tab, go to design tab. Okay, choose a theme that you want. Okay, now we are going to learn about style. So Christo, listen to me carefully. All of you look on the right side. Yeah, there you can see a background group, isn't it? At the corner, yes. There you can see background styles option. Click that. Yes, click that. Click the arrow. Yes, choose. Okay, see the change. And you just, Krista, you just choose format background. Same thing. Go to the background styles option. Top. Yes, choose that. Now choose format background. Here you can see different option, isn't it? For okay, preset color. Okay, go with picture or texture. Fill. Go with fill. Move to the left side. Yes, fill. Choose fill. Crystal, listen to me carefully. Yes. Okay. Now, okay, type. You just come down. Preset color option is there. Preset color option. Yes. Choose that arrow. Preset. No. Go up. Yes. Preset option. Little bit down. Down. Yes, that option. Choose that arrow. See, choose a rainbow color that you want. Yes, choose a color. Down. You just color go. Yes, choose that. Okay, click apply to all. If you want, you can apply this to all slides. See, wow, isn't it? Isn't it good? Do you like that? Yes, anyway. Isn't it good? Wow,
Yes,
isn't
ma'am.
it? So now onwards,
Yes.
if you are getting any presentation, if you are getting any seminar, you have to do like this. Okay, now let's see. Christo, you just choose picture or texture fill. Go top. No. Fill. Yes.
Ma'am, in my PowerPoint note, see
Okay, we will do.
that background style.
Okay, wait, Devdutt. Christo, you just choose texture option, that arrow, come down. Yes. See, here you can see different options. Okay, choose that. Okay, apply to all. If you want, you can apply to all, or you can just apply to this slide itself. Okay. Apply to all, go with apply to all. Very good. You can close this, Christo. Yes, very good. Thank you, Krista, for sharing the screen.
Ma'am, I can stop share.
Yeah, you can stop sharing the screen.
Ma'am,
So
in
now,
my
I know
PowerPoint.
that most of you are waiting for your chance. I know
Ma'am,
that. Wait. So this is all about our chapter. And do you know one thing? Our chapter is finished. So small chapter, isn't it? So,
Yes,
so we have time. So I will be calling you everyone. Okay, each and everyone to do this. So are you ready? Those who are using phone, please sign in the mic PowerPoint. Okay, sign in. So
ma'am, can I do?
wait. First, we can recall the topics that we have learned. After that, I will be calling you. So first, we have started a new chapter working with themes. So what do you mean by theme? It is a predefined combination of colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to a presentation. Here you can see different themes. Okay. So which is the default theme? Which is the default theme?
Office theme.
Okay. What is its background color?
Right.
Okay. So after that, we have seen how to apply theme, isn't it? Yes. So
Yes.
what are the steps that we have to follow? First, we have to go to the design tab. Then we have to choose, if you want, we can choose more button option, from where you can select the design that you want. Okay. Now if we can also apply a theme to a particular selected slide also. Then we have learned how to apply or how to work with background styles. So these are the steps that we have to follow. First, we have to go to the design tab. Then in the background group, you can see background styles command. So then from there, you can choose a style that you want. So our chapter is finished. So now it's your turn to show me the practical. Those who want to show me the practical, raise your hand. I will be choosing one by one. So those who have got the chance, please put your hands down. Okay, Ahyan, share the screen. Others, please do a trial. Okay, others, please do a trial. Ahyan, share the screen. Okay, Faihan, let's look. Ahyan, are you there? Share the screen. Okay, Rishikesh, yes. So you just show me how to change the style. First, you just select a theme. First, you have to select a theme. Select a theme that you want. Okay, now, yes, format background. Okay, from there, you can choose the option. Yes. Then, texture, you can use texture. Yes, choose the texture that you want. Very good. Yes, very good. Okay, choose that, click that. Okay, there is an option, down option, you can see. I think it is apply to all, apply for all. You have to press that. We are not able to see that option. Choose that. What is the down option there? I'm not able to see that. What is the option there? Is there any option? Down you can see that option. What is the option? It is so, I'm not able to see that. Can you just read it? Rishikesh, can you just read it? Unmute Rishikesh. Yes. What is the option down? Yes. What is it?
Apply to all.
Apply to all. Okay. Yeah. Press apply to all. Okay. Choose one and then choose apply to all. Is it apply to all? Did you tick that? Is he pressing that? Okay. You just go with gradient fill. Actually, I can't see the down option. Okay. You just go with gradient fill. Yes. Gradient option. That one. Yes. See the change. Okay, very good, very good. Okay. Thank you for sharing the screen, Rishikesh. Thank you. Now I would like to call, raise your hand. Niranjana is waiting for a long time. Niranjana, you can share the screen. After that, Kashinath, then Lionel, then Amaya. So first Niranjana. Yes. Niranjana, share the screen. Yes, Niranjana, share the screen. What happened, Niranjana? Take PowerPoint. Okay. So how to change the theme? Okay, very good. What about format background? Change the format background. Move to the right side. Move to the right side. Right. There you can see format background. Yes. Choose that. Choose that option. Yes. Choose that option. Very good. Yes. Okay. Okay. Texture. Come down. Okay. Solid. See the change. Very good. Apply to all. Okay. Only one slide is there. Okay. That very good. Very good. Thank you, Kashinath. Thank you. Very good. Now it's time for, now I would like to call from girls.
Ma'am, in my PowerPoint, it is not showing texture.
Okay, share the screen. Lionel, wait. After that, Devdutt, show me first.
Ma'am, Lionel has computer.
Okay, Lionel has computer. Okay, wait. Others, girls and boys? Yes, girls and boys. Yes, take the presentation. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Format background. 1 minute, ma'am.
There you can see solid gradient option down, down. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come go to texture fill, gradient fill. Come down, come down. If you want, there you can choose the option color. Yes, preset gradients. You can see the option. You can change the color. There are options, my dear. You just try. Okay. Yes, preset gradient. Come down, come down, come down, 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 down. Yes. Move to the right side. Move to the right side. That arrow. Yes, yes. Choose that. Okay, okay. Here you can see the different option. Is that clear? Thank you.
That.
Yeah, there are options. You just try. Okay, after this class, you just try. Okay, Devdutt, you can stop sharing the screen. So that's all for today. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.